Hi, I'm Larry Richardson, your step-by-step chef. And we continue our cooking and camping with the step-by-step chef adventure up at a place called Brasstown Bald. It's a mountain that goes up to about 5,000 feet. I'm at 4,200 feet, and we're going to cook. We're going to do some cooking way up on high. And when you're on the road and you're traveling, and even when you're just camping and hiking, you have to have some quick meals. And nothing is quicker than a sandwich. So this is something that we will do several times in this series of cooking and camping with the Step-by-Step Chef. And today we're going to make a ham and pickle sandwich, which is very simple, very delicious, and really filling too. I grew up on this sandwich when I was a kid back in the yeah, way back then. This was standard fare, especially in the summer. When we had summer breaks, we'd make these sandwiches and head on down to the beach. But they're just as delicious up at 4,200 feet. So come on, let's cook. Okay, now to make this sandwich, the ham and pickle, we have a small ham steak that'll chop up to about 2/3 of a cup of ham. I have some sweet relish. I have a tomato to make it all taste sweet. And I have about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can use more or less. And I have this sandwich round. And you can use any kind of bread you like. I'm just really digging these sandwich rounds lately. So let me show you how to put it all together. And just to give you a heads up, that's my pass to get up to the top of Brasstown Bald. I did not have a medical emergency. Thank goodness. So I'm just going to finely chop this ham. Now you can use canned ham if you want, and some stores, they will pre-chop the ham for you. But as you're going to see in the Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef series, I used a package of these ham steaks in several videos. So I made what we're calling the Great Outdoors Omelet, which had ham, mushroom, onion, cheese, and it was delicious. So we did make that with this ham, and you know, we're going to make several other dishes with ham. So for me, it's ham week. When I make these videos, I actually eat this food. This is not just for show. This isn't stuff that I make and then I throw in the trash. I actually eat this, and I enjoy it, and I love cooking for myself. And cooking for myself, it's much more, this just does not want to open, it's much more affordable when you're traveling, when you're camping, and it's better for you too. I mean, this dish isn't one that I eat all the time. I'm not driving across America eating ham every day. I'm eating a lot of salads and chicken and all that, and those recipes will be in Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef too. So, so don't think that I necessarily think of this as a health food, you know, something that should be sold in a health food store. I don't think you're going to find ham and pickle there, unless they can make it out of wheatgrass. So we have the ham here. We got our mayo. Again, you can add a little bit more of any of this. I'm going to add a tablespoon of relish. I can already tell that I want more. Just get something. Let's just scoop some out. So we'll say 2 to 3 tablespoons of relish. And that's 2 tablespoons of mayo so far. I try to make these dishes the way I like them. And again, as I said in the original Step-by-Step Chef series, ding! There is a book available on StepByStepChef.com with 177 delicious recipes that also have videos, so you can see how to make it. So anyway, so I make these dishes, I do eat them, and sometimes I just change the recipes a little bit as I go, because it depends on how you feel that day. It also depends on the quality of the ingredients. And that's all up to you. That's the joy of cooking. Ooh, that'd be a great name for a book too, wouldn't it? Okay, so there we go. Now again, if you're traveling, you can also use canned ham. And canned ham, canned tuna, canned shrimp, canned crab, and a number of other canned ingredients are actually quite delicious when you're on the road, because you can mix them up with the different seasonings and turn them into some amazing dishes. And I am going to show you that in Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef. And I try to add vegetables to these dishes, fresh vegetables, because it actually freshens up the flavor and it's better for you. Always try to sneak in some veggies when you're making something to eat. You set this aside. It's actually starting to drizzle out, so I think my timing is perfect. And now I'm just going to add this. I don't want a wet sandwich. Nothing worse than a soggy sandwich. I think that low-hanging fog is starting to fall on me. That's the fun of camping, and that's the fun of camping and cooking with the Step-by-Step Chef. There we go. Yum. And then I'm just going to put my tomato tops on it. And then just top the sandwich. And I'm probably going to have to run to my car and eat this. That is the fun of live TV. So we'll be right back. Well, that was fun. Fortunately, I managed to save our delicious ham and pickle sandwich. Now, if you like this recipe, please go to my website, StepByStepChef.com. There you're going to find over 175 recipes and videos showing you how to make delicious meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the step-by-step way I show you methodically. It's perfect for all levels of cooks, but especially for beginners and intermediates looking for something new to make. I'm also going to produce a book called Cooking and Camping with the Step-by-Step Chef, which is the companion to Cooking with the Step-by-Step Chef. In addition, if that's not all, another bonus on the website is a series called How to Camp, and I'm going to show you how to camp the easy way so you can really enjoy yourself comfortably. So again, I'm Larry Richardson. My sandwich is dry, so I'm a happy man, and I'll see you in the next episode.